there is some failures, we don't do it again. And we learn from it. And that story may be projected to a picture. The value of photography, to communication, to advertisement, to information, and so on and so forth, especially to us as a person with regard to memories of our life with our loved ones. So today, I would like to thank our partner in growth, SM Corporation. Mga batang Maynila, if I may put this in right perspective, kanina pong umaga, nag-report na ako sa Taong Bayan at ginawa ang CDC. You can check it online through our Facebook with regard to some details of some achievement and some challenges. But if I may put this in right perspective, muli na pong bumalik ang tiwala ng negosyante sa lungsod ng Maynila. Those who are listening, students, future workers, and professionals, after your graduation, you will look for jobs and opportunity. Biyawa ang Diyos. Pag tayo'y naging mabuti bilang pamahalaan sa pakikitungo sa mga negosyante, mas maraming negosyo, mas maraming trabaho para sa Batang Maynila. That is our goal.